How can we solve this? Maria is 3 times as old as Roland. In 5 years, she'll be twice as old as him. How old is Maria now? Let's let R stand for Roland's age now. Then 3R must be Maria's age now. We'll use algebra to solve the problem, and the following table will be helpful. We said R was Roland's age. 3R is Maria's age. 5 years from now can be obtained by adding 5 to each of the expressions in the first column. So Roland's age 5 years from now is R plus 5. And Maria's age 5 years from now is 3R plus 5. So Maria's age in 5 years, which is 3R plus 5, is equal Roland's age 5 years from now, which is R plus 5, times 2. She's twice Roland's age 5 years from now. Now we need only solve this equation for R. Let's first apply the distributive law. Now we'll subtract 2R from both sides of the equation. Finally, subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. We get R is equal to 5. So that's Roland's age now. We said that Maria's age now is 3R. So Maria's age now is 15. And that's our answer, and thanks for watching.